lesson, we are continuing with our module, this week's module. This is day 2 of the new module. So in today's lesson, we will be specifically talking about productivity softwares. And from talking about productivity softwares, we will then, in the next lesson, I will be then continue to show you those productivity softwares and how they work. But I'm going to touch base. I'm not going to go into detail. So before we continue, we need to firstly understand what a productivity software is. So productivity software is a type of a software that helps individuals and organizations manage their time, tasks, and the resources more efficiently. These tools enable users to streamline their workflow, automate routine tasks, and focus on high priority activities. In our previous lesson, we covered Windows and or an operating systems. We discussed in detail what these operating systems are. So after obtaining or installing your operating system, you need applications that will support your Windows, or that will run through your Windows, or that which you will use specifically for particular tasks. So we are going to be identifying those. Then once we've identified those, in our next lesson I will be demonstrating basic demonstrations of what those productivity apps are. So there are characteristics of productivity software. It's a productivity software or it's a productivity app. However, if you fail to refer to it. Now, these productivity softwares, they task manage. Their first characteristic is task management. It enables users to create, assign, and track tasks. That's what a productivity software does. The second one is time management. They help us manage our times, set deadlines, and prioritize tasks. And also, in terms of our organizations, it provides features for organizing files and documents and other digital content. And also, in terms of collaboration, it facilitates teamwork and communication amongst individuals and or groups. And also automation. It automates routine tasks such as data entry, formatting, and or reporting. That's what a characteristic of a productivity software is. Now, the importance of productivity software is that productivity softwares play a vital role in helping individuals and or organizations manage their time, tasks, and resources more efficiently. The importance of productivity software can be, for example, it increases efficiency, where in productivity software automates routine tasks, freeing up time for more strategic or creative work. It also improves organizations. Productivity software, they help users prioritize tasks, manage deadlines, and or stay organized. It also enhances collaboration. where productivity software enables teams to work together more effectively, regardless of time or location. It also provides better time management, where productivity software help us users track our time spent on tasks, identify time wasting activities, and at the same time optimize our schedules. It also increases accuracy, whereas it reduces errors and improves accuracy by automating calculations, formatting, and or tasks. That's what a productivity software does. Now we are going to identify kinds of productivity software. So, for example, we have word processing software, and these would include your Microsoft Word, your Google Docs, Library Office, Writer, and so forth. These are word processing softwares, and they allow users to create, edit, and print documents. It provides a range of tools for features to help us produce professional looking documents. These features include, for example, text editing. We can use this type to edit and format text, including font size, the size, font, the size, the color, and or the alignment of text on the document. It also enables, it also has a feature of document formatting, where users can adjust margins, spacing, and layout to customize document appearances. It also has graphics and images, where we can insert and edit images, charts, and other graphics to enhance this or the document. It also enables tables and charts, whereby we as users we create and edit tables, charts, and other data visualizations. We also have spelling and grammar checking embedded within this word processing software. Whereas as users we can be able to check for errors in spelling, grammar, and or punctuations. And we also have the option or the feature of printing and sharing, where we can print documents to share them or share them electronically via email or through online platforms. These are the features of a word processing software. Now, its common users include business documents, where creating reports, proposals, and or business documents, and also academic papers, where writing and formatting essays, research papers, and other academic documents. We also do personal correspondence with it, including writing letters, emails, and or personal documents. We also create create for also we common users it's for creative writing as well, whereby we write stories, poems, and or creative works. Now, like I said, these examples would include your Microsoft Office, your Microsoft Word, which you find within your Microsoft Office, your Google Docs, which you find within your Google Docs, and your Liber Office Writer, and or even Apple Pages, where you find them within the Mac computer. That was uh, word processing document software. We are now looking at a spreadsheet software. Now, what the spreadsheet software does is that it allows us to create, edit, and analyze data in a table format. It provides a range of tools and features to help us manage, calculate, and visualize data. Now, the key features of this is that it's data entry, where users can enter and edit data in cells, rows, and or columns. Calculations. Users can perform arithmetic operations such as a sum, average, and formula calculations. Data analysis as well. Users can analyze data using tools like pivot tables, charts, and or filters. We can also do data visualization, where we can create charts, graphs, and other visualizations to present data. We can also do conditional formatting, where we can highlight cells based on specific conditions, such as value or formulas. We can also do collaboration, where we can share and collaborate on spreadsheets with others. The common uses of the spreadsheet include budgeting and financial planning, data analysis and reporting, inventory management, scheduling and planning, and also scientific and engineering calculations. The examples, like I previously mentioned, okay, the examples would include your Microsoft Excel, which is found within your Microsoft Office, together with the previous word processing software, which is Microsoft Word, and also Google Sheets, where you find it within Google Docs. You find Google Sheets. Also, LibreOffice, and also Apple Numbers. These are productivity software for spreadsheets. Now we will look at another software, which is a presentation software. Now, a presentation software is a software that allows us to create, design, and deliver engaging presentations, typically in the form of slide shows. It provides a range of tools and features to help users convey information, ideas, and messages to audiences. Now, the key features of slideshows include slide creation, where we can create and design individual slides with text, images, and or multimedia elements. Templates and themes. We can choose from a pre-designed template and themes to customize the presentation look and feel. We can also do another feature is text and image editing. We can be able to edit and format text and images with slides, and also transition and animation, whereas we can add transitions and animations to slide the marking to the slide to enhance the presentation's visual impact. We also have an collaboration, where as users We are able to collaborate on presentations with others, and also presentation mode, where users can deliver presentations in a full screen mode with options for narration, timing, and also audience interaction. Now, the common uses for this app or for this software include business presentation, educational presentations, sales and marketing presentations, correspondence and events presentations. Now, the examples of these presentation softwares include Microsoft PowerPoint, which you find within your Microsoft Office, together with your Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. We also have another app which is Google Slides. It's also one with one for presentations. We also have LibreOffice, Impress, Apple Keynote, and or Prezi. These are your uh, slideshow presentations software. Now let's look at uh, another app which is used for emails. It's called Email Client. Another productivity software is Email Clients. Now, email clients such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, and or Gmail are softwares that allows users to manage and access their email accounts. These are email clients. These are email clients. Now, key features of these email clients include um, email composition, where we can create and send new emails, including text and attachments and or even images. Email reception, where users we can organize emails, email reception, where we can receive and read incoming emails, including spam filtering and or organization. Now, email organization, where we can organize emails into folders, tape labels, and create categories for ease management. And also contact management, where we can store and manage contact information, including addresses, phone numbers, and or even email addresses. Calendar integration. Emails client also has calendar integration, where many email clients interact with calendars, allowing users to schedule appointments and or addresses. My apologies, not addresses but events. Sorry, events. We also have task management as a feature in this app, where some email clients include task management features, enabling users to create and manage to-do lists. Now, the common uses are for personal and professional communication, also for business operations, and including information management. The examples, like I previously said, of these apps include Microsoft Outlook, found within Microsoft Office, together with Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Mozilla Thunderbird, Gmail, Apple Mail, Yahoo Mail, Proton Mail. These are email clients. These are email clients. Email clients offer various benefits, including convenience, Email clients provide a centralized platform for managing email communications. Organizations, email clients enable users to categorize and prioritize emails, making it easier to manage information. For security, many email clients include security features such as a spam filtering and encryption to protect users' email accounts. Customization. Email clients often allow users to customize their interface, including themes, layouts, and notification settings. That was an app, a productivity app for email clients. Now, continuing with our lesson, we will be now looking at another productivity app for internet access. For internet access. For internet access software are web browsers that enable users to access and navigate the internet. Now, the key features of this internet access web browsers include web browsing, where we can access and view websites, web pages, and online content. Another is a search engine integration, where we can come with a where these softwares come with a built-in search engine, allowing users to search for information online. Another key feature is bookmarking and favorites, where we can save and organize frequently visited websites for easy access. Another Another feature is tabbed browsing, where we can open multiple websites in separate tabs, making it easier to navigate and compare information. Also, privacy and security is another feature where we can often, these browsers include features like incognito mode, password management, and malware protection to ensure user safety. Additionally, extensions and add-ons where we can customize browsing experience with extensions and add-ons such as ad blocker, password managers, and productivity tools. These are the features of these apps, this kind of an app. Now, the key users is research and information gathering, communication and social, common users, my apologies, communication and software, social media, online shopping and banking, additionally entertainment and streaming. These are for the common usages of this kind of an app. And the examples of this app include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera, or even Brave. Now, these internet access softwares, they provide various benefits, including convenience, where internet access softwares enable users to access online resources and services from anywhere. Information and access as well is that these softwares provide users with access to a vast amount of information, education, and or even knowledge. Additionally, for communication, the internet access software enables users to connect with others, communicate, and even collaborate. And for entertainment purposes, we can have internet access, we have these internet access software providers for us to access online entertainment, streaming services, and or even social media platforms. That was uh, internet access software or software. We now move on to media players. Media players. Media player softwares are applications that enable users to play, manage, and enjoy various types of media files. Now, the key features of these would include audio playback, where we play music files such as MP3s, WAV, and AAC formats. We also have video playback, where we can play video files such as MP4s, AVI, and or even MOV. Now, another key feature is media library management, where we can organize and manage media files, including creating playlists and search for files. We can also do streaming, where stream media content from online sources such as YouTube and Netflix. We can also do audio and video effects, where we can apply effects such as equalization, compression, and or even color correction. We can also do subtitle support, where we can display subtitles for video files. Now, the common uses for these applications include for entertainment, where we play music, watch videos, and enjoy podcasts. Where we media, where we media organizations, such as manage and organize media files, including creating playlists and searching for files, where we can stream and then also do audio uh, and video editing. Now, the examples of these include VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player, iTunes, KM Player, Media Player Classic, and or last but not least, Pod Player. These are our examples of this kind of an app. Now, media player softwares provide various benefits as well, including convenience, where they enable users to play and manage media files in one place. Flexibility as well, they offer flexibility because they often support a wide range of file formats and codecs. For customization, media players allow users to customize playback settings such as audio and video effects. And for accessibility, media players often include features like subtitle support and audio descriptions to improve accessibility. And last but not least, continuing with our lesson, let's look at a productivity software for virus protection. Virus protection softwares such as SmartDove and antivirus are programs designed to protect computers and devices from malware, viruses, and other online threats. The key features of these include virus scanning, where it scans files, folders, and drives for virus and malware. Real-time protection. It provides continuous protection against malware, virus, and other online threats. Automatic updates is also a key feature where it updates virus definitions and software to ensure protection against new threats. Firewall protection, where it blocks unauthorized access to the computer or device. And also anti-phishing protection, where it warns users about suspicious websites and emails. And additionally, malware removal, where it removes detected malware and viruses. Now, the common uses for this kind of an app include protecting against malware, preventing data loss, blocking online threats, and ensuring system stability. Now, the examples include SmartDAV, Norton antivirus, McAfee antivirus, Kaspersky antivirus, Avast antivirus, and even AVG antivirus. Now, these virus protection softwares, they provide various benefits such as protection against malware. It safeguards against viruses, trojans, spyware, and other malwares. Peace of mind is another and added benefit, where it provides assurance that your computer or device is protected. Additionally, it offers system stability, where it prevents system crashes and instability caused by malware. And lastly, it offers data protection, where it protects against data loss and corruption caused by malware. Now, a productivity software for virus protection. Now, this brings us to the end of the lesson today, which we covered. I hope you had a great time learning about the topic at hand. And I hope you do your own research as well, because mind you that these this kind of an information, or the information contained within this lecture, is not entirely complete, but it's just a summary. So what you have to do is to go in deeper and conduct your own research, engage with other learners as well, communicate with your facilitator as well, do your Google search, do everything to empower yourself with knowledge, and additionally, make sure that you stay vigilant in terms of whatever topic that we were covering. So, like I said at the beginning of the lesson, we were discussing productivity softwares, where we discussed, to be precise, what a productivity software is. So, the reason why we were discussing what a productivity software is because tomorrow we are going to indulge into productivity softwares. One by one, we are going to look at them, and I will be demonstrating how they are used one by one. So this is the reason why I had to firstly um, uh, I had to firstly explain what a productivity software is, so that you don't get confused in terms of what the software I will be covering is for. You firstly need to understand what they are for, so that you can be able to understand what they are used for as well. So I hope you had a splendid time, like I had a splendid time giving this lecture, and I hope to see you in the next lecture. And please, this is a plea. Conduct your own research. Don't just take my word at face value. Yes, take it at face value, but just not just my word, also your research as well. Empower yourself enough to do your own research, so that you can be able to uh, gain more knowledge than what is contained within this lecture. But without wasting any more time, please uh, continue to watch the lesson. And thank you again for attending today's lesson. I hope to see you tomorrow. And with that, this is me